How to hide the hotspot icon in status bar on Android phone. So each time you enable your hotspot, you will see the corresponding icon in the top right corner. If you would like to disable it, then watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Firstly, let's swipe down from the top right to access quick settings. And I want to show you how this looks when enabled. Just tap on mobile hotspot and you will see like round icon with lines in it. So I'm going to disable and enable. So this icon appears in the top right. And if I quit my quick settings, it still be there. So what we're going to do to remove it from the quick settings is we're going to open Play Store and search for the Good Lock. Now just tap the button Install and download it. Great, now let's open the app and it will help us to customize our device. Click Agree and Continue. And now within the plugins list, you just need to scroll a bit down until you see Quick Start. This mode helps us to customize our quick settings. So tap the arrow to install this pack. And once installed, just go back to the top of the page and click on Quick Start. Firstly, what we're going to do is we need to give an access. So click here to turn it on. And now tap on Visibility of Indicator Icons. Scroll through the list of options and find Mobile Hotspot. So if you want to remove it from your quick settings, you just need to toggle off the switch next to Mobile Hotspot so the icon won't be shown in the top right corner. And now let's test it. I'm gonna go back to my quick settings, tap on Mobile Hotspot, and now no icon appeared in the top right corner. But Mobile Hotspot is still on, it's working, you can use it, but it won't appear in the top right. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.